I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select benchmark. Give here API secret key. So please visit benchmark API token. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. You can update benchmark by check this box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the benchmark page and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the benchmark. Thanks for watching.